Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a tour review of Dino Valley, and it's the Dinosaur head bucket case, and this playset is a 45 piece, and at the back you have a list of all the dinosaurs and items in this collection. As you can see, I have the Spinosaurus and the Pteranodon, and also I have the fence pieces with the rocks and trees. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.